So this really isn't the weather I ordered. It was really nice and sunny and calm this morning. I put shorts on for the first time, which was that was such a big mistake. I'm wearing sunglasses just to feel like it's sunny. Really, it's blowing a gale. It's cloudy, and we've got to get on a boat pretty soon to go from here to a place called Key Corker, and those waves are starting to get up. We were planning to fly originally, and then we switched to boat. I don't know which is worse, being in a small boat in this or a small plane. Anyway, decisions made. So yeah, we've got a little bit to do here on San Pedro, and then it's off to Key Corker. Wish me luck.